Hi, in this final session of this lecture, we're going to discuss mining closed pattern. As we already know before, closed pattern is a compressed form, but it's a lossless compression of frequent patterns. So mining this closed item sets is very interesting and useful. Okay. And with pattern growth approach, there's one interesting method developed called Closet Plus. Let's look at this Closet Plus, how to develop efficient direct mining of closed item sets. So let's look at this transaction database. It contains only 4 transactions, and these are the items in these transactions. Suppose the minimum support is 2, we'll be able to get these as frequent item sets. And based on this, we can work out the F-list like the following. Okay. Now we look at, an interesting method developed called item set merging. Okay. The philosophy can be represented using this example. Okay. Let's look at these projected database. Okay. For these projected database, we will have ACF, EF, and ACF based on this. You can see these project database will get ACEF and ACF. But the interesting thing is ACF happens in every transaction projected in this database. ACF have the same support as D. In that case, we can grab ACF out from ACFD project database, which contains only one item E. It is not frequent. Therefore, we will be able to get ACFD support is 2. It's the final result. This method called item set merging simply says if Y appears in every occurrence of X, then item set Y is merged with X. Now the X is D and Y is ACF. ACF occurs in every occurrence of X, which is D. Then we will merge ACFD together to form a more compressed form. That means you can mine all these immediately. Okay, so this is more efficient. Actually, there are many tricks developed in Closet Plus. For example, hybrid tree projection. We use bottom-up physical tree projection and top-down pseudo tree projection. There's one technique called sub-item set pruning, item set skipping, efficient subset testing, but I'm not going to get into the details. For details, you can read this paper. Okay. So finally, I'll summarize the recommended readings. These are all classical papers on, apiary, apiary mining, and the further improvement of apiary mining. Then we have vertical methods, we have epigrowth methods, and we have Closet Plus methods. So finally, there's an interesting survey article called Frequent Pattern Mining Algorithms, which contain many more algorithms covered in this lecture. If you're interested in, go ahead and read this chapter.